I wanted to present a brief tour of the course website so that I could direct your attention to some of the important things that you should be focusing on as you get to know the website, and so that you can get a better understanding of the overall structure of the course and how you're going to be interacting with some of the important information presented for the course. So here I am on the course homepage, and this is the address, educ403.weebly.com. I'm using Weebly instead of D2L because I find that the interface is a lot more user-friendly than D2L, and you will be using D2L for a few aspects of the course. You'll be using it to take the exams and to submit papers and also to check your grades. But everything else is going to be facilitated through this website. Now, the first thing I want to direct your attention to is the information in the syllabus. And so if I hover over that, the general course information is presented. And this is the same information that I provided you in a copy of the syllabus. There's me. And again, I have office hours. Anytime you need, just make an appointment with me, and it'll all be virtual. So it'll be on Zoom or just via the telephone if I can't address your concerns on the on email. Information there about the course text, the grading. I list all the things that are going to be graded, and then the grading scale. And I do the A minus, B plus scale here, and you'll notice it jumps from C to F, and that's because I really encourage everybody to earn a C or better in this class, and I'm going to make sure that that happens, to be honest with you. And I have the due date and late work policy, and all that is there. Other information in the syllabus that I want to direct your attention to is the course calendar. This calendar is also included in the syllabus that I provided, but I also have a copy of it online. And if I do make any changes to the calendar, which happens every single semester, I will email you and let you know that the calendar online has changed, and I will update the update date on the calendar to reflect that. So just know that if the calendar does change somewhat, it will be reflected online. Every week, I'm going to post weekly assignments, and so you'll go there. I only have the week 1 assignment posted first, and that's where you're watching this video, which is not posted here yet because it's not made yet. I'm making it. If I could do that, then I would be some kind of a wizard, and I don't think that I am. I'm not. I'm pretty sure I'm not. So you'll read through what's going on regarding the weekly assignments there. I may or may not direct your attention to some of the lectures, and this course, as you will learn in the big picture, is divided into 4 parts, and there's 5 lectures as part of part 1. These are the lectures that coincide with the information and skills that'll be for exam number 1. That's what part 1 is. I have information about the projects here, and as you saw from the grading, there's 5 projects, but I'm only listing them as we go along, because I'm still making revisions to them as we go. The resources tab is very important. Foremost here, I have the course notes, and you can download the entire notes packet here. That's information that sort of summarizes what's in the course text and focuses on the course outcomes that are going to be measured on the exams. And I've got a guide for developing effective assessments, which is really the heart of this course. And I also include Chapter 1 of the course text. If you don't have your book yet, you can at least accomplish what needs to be accomplished in week 1 from the course text there. So that's part of the course notes. And then I've got the text reflections. These are due almost every week, and you can download the Word document here and just fill out this document and submit it after you read the chapter. And so these are reflection documents, and there's no right or wrong answer on them. They just, if there are questions that sort of reflect some of the practice provided for a chapter, you'll be given the answer key in the document. So, and then I just ask you to reflect on that and submit these every week as noted in the calendar. So a couple of other things. There's whenever I have some information that needs elaborated on, like type 1 and 2 errors, that's something that's going to be talked about in the first project, and And so that's there. How to prepare for a course exam. I have some information about that. I also have some practice exams. Now, there are 3 exams for the course, and I've posted 2 of the practice exams here, and we'll talk about those as we get there. And then I've got a few resource websites and some objectives, how to write objectives, because that's definitely an important part of the class. And finally, I have a link to D2L and a link to Zoom. The Zoom is my own personal Zoom page, and so if you are going to have an office hour sort of interaction with me, you can go here to go to the Zoom, and then the D2L link just takes you to the login page for D2L. So that does it for the tour of the course website. And as I mentioned, every Monday you will have new information that's posted on the homepage, and then that will direct your attention to what to do up here in the menu. So I look forward to working with you online this semester, and if you have any questions at all about any of the basic course information, please do not hesitate to let me know. Thank you.